Hi, welcome back to our channel, and today I will show you how to see likes on X. So actually, if you want to see your likes on your profile, then it's pretty simple. You have to open X on your phone and then tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and then go to Profile. As you can see, your profile is divided into several sections right here, and you want to scroll to Likes tab. This is the page where you will see every single post that you have ever liked. Here will be the list of them. And now if you want to see likes on someone else's profile, then here's the tricky part, because it's no longer possible because X removed that feature. You cannot just go to someone else's profile and go to that Likes tab because it's simply not there. So to prove that, let me go to my another X account, and if I try to scroll here to Likes tab, I will not manage to do that because it's simply not there. The only way how to know if someone liked some kind of post, you have to go to homepage and at the top select Following section, and from time to time you will see posts that people that you follow liked, and sometimes you will see that your friend liked this or that post. But again, it's not simply possible to go to someone else's profile and check their Likes tab. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.